Imagine finally being able to walk into a perfectly chilled or cozy living space and adjusting the temperature with nothing but your voice, all while watching your energy bill actually go down. Welcome back. If you're looking to climate control a large room or an open concept floor plan without the noise of a window unit, the Senville Aura Series 24,000 BTU mini split is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it comfort solution. This isn't just a basic air conditioner. It is a high-efficiency inverter heat pump designed to handle extreme weather, providing cooling in the blistering summer and heat even when temperatures drop to minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 30 degrees Celsius. With a massive 24,000 BTU capacity, it's powerful enough to cover up to 1,500 square feet, making it the perfect choice for master suites, home gyms, or basement conversions. Because it's Energy Star certified, it operates with surgical precision, only using the power it needs to maintain your perfect temperature. The real wow factor here is the integration. This model works natively with Alexa, meaning you can sync it to your smart home and say, "Alexa, set the living room to 72 degrees from your couch." It's also incredibly quiet. Unlike those rattling window units, the loudest parts are outside, leaving your indoor space whisper silent. With a sleek white finish, a multi-stage air filtration system to keep your air crisp, and a comprehensive installation kit included, it's arguably the most reliable and intelligent way to future-proof your home comfort for 2026. Click the link below for the best price and take control of your home's climate today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect HVAC upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the home tech that actually makes a difference. See you in the next one.